Okay guys, ADB 160 ATM tayo. Ito 44 kilometers pa lang yung tinakbo. 44, bagong-bago guys yung ADB na to. So sinetapan natin to ng option 1, which is AES Night Ranger na 80 watts, 7 mode. So guys, same lang to ng TDD. AES sa TDD, same na same lang. So sa may mga gusto magpakabit, available to sa shop. Ayan, option 1 guys, tandem niya is PA Auto Style. Siyempre, AES Night Ranger 7 mode, 80 watts. Tapos ginamitan natin ng Night Ranger mini drive, tawag nito, 7 mode switch guys, alright. The same time dual horn setup, alright. Loud horn, stock horn, alright. Loud horn, pass light, alright. May passing din yan, alright. First mode, second mode, alright. Third mode, alright. So